Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 3. This is your science lecture. Today we are going to discuss our unit number 9. The topic is light. This is the title page of your amazing science book. Topic is light. Yes, we know that the sun gives off heat and light. What is light? A burning candle and a light bulb also give off heat and light. We can see the moon at night. It does not have its own light. It shines because sunlight falls on it. Some of the sunlight bounces off the moon and reaches the earth. The bouncing off of light from a shiny object is called reflection, as shown in this picture. Most of the objects that we see are like the moon. They do not give off their own light. Light from the sun, a lamp, or some other shining thing falls on them. Then we can see them. They reflect the light into our eyes. The reflected light tells us the size, color, and shape of the objects that we see. Light travels in straight lines, make slits in a piece of cardboard, stand it on a table, shine a torch behind the card. What do you see? So here we have this picture. Light travels very fast. When we turn on a lamp or bulb, the room becomes bright at once. Light travels very fast. It can travel from the moon to the earth in less than a second. Light travels in straight lines called rays. When rays of light pass through water or glass, they bend. This bending of light rays is called refraction. Light and color. We see objects of different colors as shown in this picture. A tomato is red, a leaf is green, a orange is orange. We can see the colors of objects because they reflect light. White light is a mixture of 7 colors. You can see these colors if you shine bright sunlight through a special triangular piece of glass called a prism. This is a picture of a prism. From here, ray of light entering into the prism and splits into 7 colors. When white light passes through a prism, it separates into 7 different color bands. These 7 colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. How do we see colors? When the white light shines on something, some of the colors are observed and some of the colors are reflected. A tomato looks red because it observes all other colors and reflects only red. An orange reflects orange. A sheet of white paper looks white because it reflects all the colors of white light. A black object looks black because it observes all the light that falls on it. So here we have the picture, which and this picture shows different colors of a rainbow. Rainbows. A rainbow is a large arc of 7 colors. We see a rainbow in the sky after rain. When sunlight shines through tiny raindrops in the air, they break the light into 7 colors. Each raindrop acts like a tiny prism. Together they make a big rainbow in the sky. Plants and animals need light and heat. Light and heat are useful. Plants need sunlight to make their food. They grow and become healthy when there is light. Animals need light to see in the dark. They also need heat to keep themselves warm. Next, students, we have the solved exercise of unit number 9. First of all, question number 1 is about the question answers. Answer the following questions. Here we have the answers. Part A, answer is we get light from the sun. Part B, answer is the moon gets light from the sun. C, the correct answer is the bouncing of light from a shiny object is called reflection. Next, part D, when rays of light pass through water or glass, they bend. This bending of light is called refraction. Part E, when white light shines on something, some colors are observed and some are reflected. When we see the colors that are reflected. Next, part F, plants need light to make their food. Animals need light to see in the dark and to keep warm. Question number 2. Prove by an experiment that light travels in straight lines. Light travels in straight lines. Make slits in a piece of cardboard. Stand it on a table. Shine a torch behind the card. What do you see? I have seen a light travel in a straight line as shown in this picture. Question number 3. Draw lines to show how white light passes through a prism. So here we have a triangular prism. White light enters into the prism and splits into 7 colors. Here we have the worksheet. White light is a mixture of 7 colors. Write the names of the colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. This is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.